110,000 RPM Dust-Blasting Beast. WOLFBOX MF50 Air Duster for a cleaner, crisper world. Tired of weak, overpriced canned air that runs out when you need it most? Meet the WOLFBOX MF50 Electric Air Duster, the turbocharged, planet-friendly alternative that blasts away dust at an insane 110,000 RPM. This cordless powerhouse obliterates dirt from PCs, keyboards, car interiors, and hard-to-reach crevices with the force of a mini-jet engine, minus the ear-splitting noise. With 3 adjustable speeds, you control the intensity, whether you need a light dusting or a full-on hurricane. Say goodbye to flimsy disposable cans and hello to unlimited cleaning power with this rechargeable, high-performance beast. Unlike traditional air cans that cost a fortune over time, the WOLFBOX MF50 is a one-time investment that saves you money while protecting the planet. Built from durable, high-quality materials, this air duster delivers consistent, powerful airflow without running out of pressure. No more waste, no more refills, just pure cleaning power at your fingertips. The fast-charging Type-C battery keeps you going for up to 240 minutes on the lowest setting, making it the most cost-effective and sustainable dust-blowing solution you'll ever own. Portable? Oh, you bet. Weighing just 7.2 ounces, the WOLFBOX MF50 is compact, lightweight, and ready to travel. Whether you're cleaning your laptop, car vents, gaming consoles, or even household surfaces, this mini blower tackles dust anytime, anywhere. The included lanyard keeps it within reach, so you can effortlessly switch between home, office, and outdoor cleaning tasks. Plus, the 4 interchangeable nozzles let you customize the airflow, making it a versatile powerhouse for every nook and cranny. Is it worth it? Absolutely. The WOLFBOX MF50 isn't just about raw power, it's also about long-term value. The rugged design, fast 3.5-hour charge time, and long battery life make it a smarter, more efficient choice than traditional dusters. Plus, with 24 months of warranty and 24/7 customer support, you can trust that your investment is backed by reliability and real support. This tech-tested cleaning machine is built to last, designed to perform, and engineered for maximum efficiency. Stop wasting money on disposable air cans and upgrade to next-level dust-blasting power. Whether you're a tech geek, car enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates a clean space, the WOLFBOX MF50 is the ultimate cleaning sidekick. Faster, stronger, and way more fun to use than traditional dusters, this is the future of cleaning, and it's in your hands. Grab yours today and experience the power of pure airflow.